mind is open like I took the lead off. My niggas gon' come up as soon as we get the tip off. The beat turn me on, the beef turn me off. Slaughter gang, the beef is expensive, that's a rip-off. I have to bath with herbs and potions. I have to cover my body with spiritual lotions. I'm an ammo rapper like Drake, that's the motion. Things are moving slow like they're in slow motion. I want it back fast. I want to eat the beef for breakfast. I'm on the first lane and I won't break fast. I'm on the move and I won't crash. I'll get my yams and make mash. I'll get the ass and I'll smash. I'll get my yams and keep a sicker stash. Don't call me, I'll call you back like Sty and Hash.